Welcome back, guys. So I want to talk about automation, and I need a browser for automation. So I want to show you how to automate some processes on Twitter, like how to increase your followers, how to do all those basic things here on Twitter. But before we proceed to include the automation tools that we want to use, we need to install a Mozilla Firefox browser. So what I want to do now is to this is Chrome. I'm currently using a Chrome browser, so I want to download the Mozilla Firefox browser. So I'm going to search for Mozilla Firefox, of course. I'm going to search for this, and I'm going to have this browser installed on my system. So what I want to do is to get Firefox browser. I'm going to click on this, and I'm going to have the Firefox browser downloaded. It's as simple as that. I want to download it on my desktop, of course. So I'm going to click on download for desktop. So I'm going to download this right now, and it says your download should begin automatically. So let's wait for that, and that's the download right there. That's the installer file. So I'm going to come to my downloads to check that out. So this is the file I just downloaded. All I have to do is to click on this. So I'm going to double click, and I'm going to be able to click on the installer file. So having to click on the installer file, I want to have this installed, and you'll see it right here. So this is, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? I would say yes, and the installation process of this Firefox would start right away. So Firefox has been installed before. Let's get you a new copy. So I'm going to just take all that out, and I'm going to install. So I'm going to install Firefox browser. I used to have it on my system, but I had to uninstall it just for the sake of this lesson, so I can show you how to create the whole automation process from the very beginning. So this is the browser we'll be using for the automation process. So it's a must for you to download this Firefox browser. And right now I'm installing it right now. So let's see how the installation goes. And in the next lesson, we're going to set this Firefox browser up. Then we're going to see how to use it for Twitter automation. We're going to see how to use it to increase our followers on Twitter, how to use it to do other things on Twitter. I hope to see you in the next lesson. See you there.